YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald, and today we are going to compare two leading makeup brand concealers. The two concealers I am going to be reviewing for you guys today is the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer by Too Faced, Born This Way, and the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now, I have done a review video on the Too Faced concealer before, about 8 months ago when I first tried it, and I loved it. And I got the Tarte concealer about 2 weeks ago, and I've been using it to see, how it compared. I will say that I got it in too dark of a shade, so I need to go back and color match myself a little bit better. But I still really liked it. So I was actually going to do a video completely reviewing the Tarte concealer, but I figured I already like it. You guys in this video are gonna realize that I already like it. Like right now we're 30 seconds into the video and I've already said I like it. So I thought we would be more productive and compare two of the leading brands, because honestly I haven't used this one, the Born This Way, in a little while, and I don't know which one I'm gonna like better. So this is gonna be an honest duel on which concealer is better. Also, pay no attention to my beautiful spray tan that's coming off that looks like a skin disease. I'm in that fun, ladies, if you've had a spray tan, you know what I'm talking about. That fun transition from spray tan back to your regular white self. And it is coming off really, really, really badly. So I look like I have a little bit of a skin disease going on. It took me probably longer to find a shirt that I could wear for this video to not show you guys how messed up this area is than it did for me to plan out this video. So this is the best I could do. It's springtime almost, and it's finally beautiful in LA. So I could not cover this up with a long sleeve winter shirt, unfortunately. This is the best I could do. But I am okay. I am not dying of a skin disease, and this is just spray tan. So what I'm gonna do in today's video is split my face. So do half of my face using the multi-sculpting, Born This Way concealer by Too Faced, and the other half of my face with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I am going to see which one I like better. Honestly, I don't know. They're both pretty darn great. And really, at this point, I think it comes down to skin preference, which I have told you guys about my skin. The texture, obviously y'all can see the color, and how it absorbs the makeup. So I'm gonna do half and half, see which half I like better, let you guys know. And that's gonna be today's video. So here we go. Before we go any further, make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. Also hit the bell for notifications whenever I post my new videos. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All of the links are below. Now let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna go in like I normally do with my Born This Way foundation. Now, that's gonna stay the same no matter what. And of course, I'm gonna go in like normal and put foundation everywhere. You know what I'm really curious to know? I, as most of you have noticed, do not use primers because they haven't really ever done anything for me. But I'm curious, since the priming game has changed a little bit since I started doing makeup, and better priming products have come out. I'm curious what primers you guys like, because I would love to give a primer a go, but it's really, for me, it's like a miscellaneous step to doing makeup. But if there is a primer out there that actually does a good job, I am totally game to try something new. So let me know in the comments below if there's a primer you like. I want to know. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer. And I'm gonna put it on the left side of my cheek. And this actually is the right color. So this might just win because it's the right color. I'm gonna put it on half of my forehead. I don't really know how to split the nose. I guess this will end up being blended. And then half of my chin. And then I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape and put this on the right side of my face. I'm scared to see how bad this actually is color-wise. Ah! So much darker. Yeah, I made a boo-boo with this one, guys, but it's all good. Nothing translucent powder can't fix. All right, got my beauty blender and we're gonna go to town. Okay, this is gonna be so hard to blend my forehead and not like blend the products. Oh, you know what I forgot to do was put the concealer on my nose. I saw a YouTuber do a video the other day without editing the entire video. And, oh gosh, that's a lot. And I'm kind of curious in maybe trying that, but at the same time, I'm a little scared because y'all, I mess up so much when I film. The amount that you guys don't see that I don't put in my video is a lot because I literally mess up my phrasing all the time. Okay, so now that the Born This Way is blended, I'm just gonna use the other side of my beauty blender and blend in the Tarte. And for my nose and my forehead, they're gonna touch a little bit. It's okay though. We'll mainly see the difference on my cheeks. I'm actually anxious to see like what happens if you blend them. I don't know. I'm getting glimpses of my beautiful neck in my mirror. Okay, so I'm not obviously done with my makeup yet, obviously. But I will say the Tarte is just, it's a lot of coverage, which if you guys have been following me for a little bit, y'all know I like my coverage. I basically don't want my skin to breathe. So that's a personal preference though. If you guys like it much more light, the Born This Way is a lot lighter. A lot lighter. So they're both on right now. There's not much of a difference in my face, other than this side's a little bit darker because the concealer itself is darker. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my whole face, use the powder, and see if you guys notice a difference. I mean, at the end of the day, these are both two really high-end cosmetic brands, and so I think both of them are gonna do a great job, but you really never know. So let's see who's gonna win this battle. All right, guys, we're at the halfway mark. I just finished baking, as you guys can see, and I am gonna say the Tarte is absorbing it a little bit better, whereas the Too Faced, it's more just sitting on top rather than actually sinking into my skin. So we'll see which one looks better when I blend it in at the very end. But as of right now, it's a tough call. All right, guys, so I am done with my whole face. I went a little bit more dramatic than I planned on going for my eyes and lip, but this is the look I ended up with. So I am going to head on in with my blending brush and blend this setting powder in to see which concealer we like better. Alright, so of the two, I am gonna say that the Tarte concealer is a lot drier, which I like because I have fairly oily skin. So for me, the drier the product, the better. This one is not as dry. So I can tell based off of the Born This Way concealer with the Born This Way foundation and everything I used on my face, the blushes, the contour, this is gonna get oily much faster. I can already see it getting a tiny glaze, a very tiny glaze over that I don't want. So for me personally, I'm gonna have to give it to Tarte. The Tarte Shape Tape. Very heavy, it's very dry, it's very thick. It really absorbed that setting powder very well, the translucent setting powder. And even though the Born This Way concealer came in first runner-up, it did a fairly good job. So I would still recommend the Born This Way concealer to anybody, especially if you don't have as oily of skin, or if you like it a little bit lighter. I honestly thought that it was like the heaviest you could go, and then I tried the Tarte concealer a few weeks ago and I was like, whoa, it gets heavier. So again, the Tarte one is for heavier makeup lovers and for people that kind of want it to dry your skin up, which I am a person that likes that. So hopefully that doesn't turn you off from it, but if it does, the Born This Way concealer is the way to go for you. So I hope this video helped you. If you are indecisive about the two products, I personally like the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer a little bit better, so I will continue to be using that. The Born This Way concealer is still fabulous though, so I would recommend them both to you guys. If you enjoyed this video and you like the makeup look that I chose for my eyes, please like and subscribe to my channel. I post every Saturday. All of the product links below of both the concealers and everything I used on my face are linked below as well, so definitely check those out. Other than that, I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see y'all next week. Bye!